Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss encapsulation in object-oriented programming. So it's one of the forming principles of object-oriented programming. It basically binds the data and the code together, the state and the behavior. It prevents tight coupling. So if we are making changes in the class, the rest of the programs won't get affected. Okay, and it acts encapsulation acts as an interface between class and the rest of the program, meaning that we are cutting off that direct access to certain attributes. So it gives us security and there are less chances of error. Hence there will be less code changes if we were to fix that. And we achieve encapsulation by access modifiers. So we have three access modifiers, that is private, protected and public. So in private, it's visible only in the class that the member lives in. Protected is visible to the packages and the subclasses. Public, accessible everywhere in the program. And if we don't have any modifier, means it is visible in the package it lives in. Code wise, let's understand encapsulation. So we have an object and we have provided certain attributes to that: name, age, salary. Okay, we haven't given any access modifier yet. Now if and we have our constructor. Okay, so if we go to our main class and if we run this, we shall see our output coming up. Okay, but the idea of encapsulation is not giving direct access. So for that, we will make all our attributes as private so that none of the classes from outside can access it. But we are seeing some problem. Okay, so these won't work. We can't have such easy access, but we can access these attributes only by providing some public methods. Okay, that is the only way via which that can be accessed. So we will be generating getters. Okay, so we've provided the getters. Now in our main class, we need to make the changes. So it will be get name, get age, okay, and if we run this, it's going to run fine. Also, if we are to make any changes, we need to provide them with setters. Okay, so we will be generating the setters as well for these. So we have provided the setters. Now we go to our main class and I would like to update the age. So set age 35, and if I run this, it's coming as 35. Okay, great. So this is what encapsulation is. Okay, and there are certain classes in Java that use encapsulation. So there is string, HashMap, ArrayList. So let's just look at string class. So I am using IntelliJ, and you can use any IDE, you will get this option as well. So in my string class, you will see that we have a very common thing, that is we have private final byte value. So value is basically your characters. For character storage we use it. And one interesting thing that we have to understand here with respect to encapsulation is that before Java 9, we were not using byte array, but we were using character array. But since we have always been using string and we can't do without it, we did not realize any difference, right? Because the implementation was private and it was hidden from us. So whatever the developers saw fit due to in order to optimize memory and give us a better performance, all that was done like in hidden side, right? Like we had no information and everything functioned smoothly as ever, and we had no idea that this change has been implemented. So that is the whole idea of encapsulation. You see, there is a lot of loose coupling involved. We didn't know about the code changes, but only when like it came out in public, and that is how smoothly, and that is the whole expectation of it. Okay. And also you'll see that there are a lot of public methods. So we can go and look at length method, which is the most common method, and we can happily use this. We can happily use length method in our program. So example, if we have string like abcd, we can just print s dot length, and there'll be no issues because this is a public method, right? And just we'll get the length. So this is what encapsulation is, and it is a very important concept. So hoping you guys understood this, and thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.